What is up, YouTube? It is a beautiful day. I'm taking a cooler up to a friend's house, and I decided to take the Grom. I have been recording, I just haven't had any good recordings lately, so I haven't posted anything. Hopefully I get some good footage today, and it turns out to be nice. Having to wear my backpack on the front because the cooler takes up every available space on the back seat, and I'm pressed up against the gas tank. And it's a tiny cooler too. There's just not a lot of room on these seats for people on the Groms. I love this little hill right here because it's a pretty quick drop. And it's a lot of fun in a car, but just wanted to give you guys a quick picture of how the cooler is strapped down. Okay, now I got the cooler off. I got my backpack on. And now I should be able to go and do some fun riding. I decided I'm going to head over to an exhaust shop and see how much they would charge, if they can even do it, to cut off my catalytic converter and run a straight pipe from my header to my exhaust. Just make that one exhaust piece. I'm not sure if I'm going to have them do it as an exhaust piece where it's all one, or if the muffler is going to be a slip-on, have them weld a little collar on it. I don't know yet, but I am going to go see if they can do anything at all. And if they can't, I might run over to another one, and if they can't, I might just order one online. But right now, money's a little tight with everything that's been going on in my house and the flood, not being covered by insurance, so all my Grom money has been going into my house, and I haven't gotten anything for my Grom other than my gears, and I'm back to stock gears because I like it better. So I'm gonna run over and check on an exhaust today I'd really like to get a louder one, but I don't have the money for the muffler part. So I'm just going to try to go for a little bit of power right now, because my bike needs all the power it can get. Especially when I go riding with bigger bikes. I mean, I can outrun some of them in the corners. I mean, I can flat out get in the corners on this thing. It's amazing. But in the straightaway, it doesn't go fast. It takes a long time to get up to top speed, which isn't fast. And everyone runs off and leaves me. But I catch them in the corners. I did my first oil change a while ago at 950 miles. Honda recommends doing it at 600. And I meant to do it at 625 when I seen that I was over 600. But I've been going on ride after ride, and I just haven't had time to do it. I haven't been able to get the motor warm and then have time to do it, so I haven't done it. And I finally got a chance to do it today, and it was only 350 miles overdue. So I'm gonna change it before it's recommended to do it again, just to kind of help keep my motor a little clean, because I waited way too long. The oil still looked good. It was a little black, but that's expected with the first run. I think I'm going to switch from Honda to Royal Purple, but I'm not sure yet. Honda does have good oil. The guy at Honda told me it should take almost a full quart, and it took a full quart to bring it up on the line. So on my little dipstick, which I'm not sure I put in all the way, I better pull over and check that while I'm thinking of it. Here's good. Just make sure that's in there tight. Little dog. Woo, that was slick. Sliding a bit. Summer is definitely here. Weather's warm. Still a bit cold for a bike. I over downshifted. And I almost got ran over by that truck. He was crossing get over, and I wasn't going fast enough for him, or he didn't see me. Definitely didn't hear me with this exhaust. I gotta get a new exhaust. I had a Harley and it was loud. I mean, people could hear me coming from blocks away, and this is just so quiet. It's like a moped. I think that I might run over and look at a couple vintage bikes. Nothing real big, still under 200 cc's, but they're late 60s, early 70s, two-strokes in nice condition. So if I don't run out of memory on my recording or my battery, I'll let you guys see those bikes. Alright guys, well, the exhaust place I took it to, they can't do it. They don't have any pipe that small. The smallest they have is 1.5 inches. So it looks like I might have to go and order it online, which I was hoping not to, because that costs a fortune. And I think I'm gonna run over there real quick. All right, nobody watch this. Man, I love being on a Grom. They're so small and lightweight. You can change lanes and even turn around in one lane if you need to. I forgot to turn my camera on. I'm sorry, guys. I'm driving out this way to look at some old bikes now. Almost at 1,000 miles on my bike. Not quite. Still got 20 miles to go. And the place should be right here. I guess I'm a little wrong on where it is. I bet it's just up on the other side of this hill. Whoa, there it is. Yep, I was wrong on where it was. All right. Alright, I have no idea what kind of bike that is up there. It's got a red frame, so I think I'm gonna go up and look, see what kind of bike it is. That's a Ducati. Ducati, someone's put a lot of work into. Looks nice. Hey guys, I didn't catch it on camera, but my bike rolled over 1,000 miles. Little milestone. Get it, milestone. But just wanted to share that with you guys. Peace out.